Guys, Andrew here and welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Google One on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. So the first thing you want to do is just locate your Play Store, go ahead and open that, and within the search there just simple type in Google, and you just need to type in Google and it will start to find all of those Google applications for you, and you'll be able to find Google One within the list there. If you're not able to find it very fast, you can always go ahead and put the one beside it and it will definitely find it very fast. Right, so as you can see here, it find the Google One application. You can simply click on install and the Google One application will be installed within seconds, guys. And as you can see, it's currently installing here and it's ready to open, and you can simply go ahead and open the application. Just go ahead and click and continue and you will now be logged into Google One application. How amazing is that? So go ahead and click get started there and you can go ahead and it will log you in and you can continue without membership. You don't need to. You can continue and you'll be in the Google One application, guys. Very easy and very simple. Here is the Google One application. You can go ahead and you can play around with it, utilize it to your liking. You can see the menus there, you can go to the settings. But this is it, guys. This is how you can access Google One on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone.